Hi guys, I'm Kayla Pena, and this is my ePortfolio. It starts with just a picture of me, and it says, "Hi, I'm Kayla Pena." About me is, my name is Kayla Pena. I'm a soon-to-be grad from University of South Florida. My major is criminology, and my minor is education. Personally, I never thought in my life I'd be a teacher, but sometimes life throws things at you, and you just gotta keep moving. My goal is to be a criminology or forensics teacher in a Christian Catholic high school. Here I just put a bunch of pictures of criminology, forensic investigation, anything like that. And it's just kind of like a slideshow of those 3 photos. Then is my resume. It's a criminal justice teacher position. My objective is to obtain an entry-level position in the criminal justice field, offering a strong investigative interpretal skills to work on individuals in diverse backgrounds. I made sure my objective was wide so I could use it for any criminal justice job, not only this teaching position. My skills are ability to work well with others, provide excellent communication skills, work under pressure in busy environments, resolve conflicts effectively, and knowledgeable and experienced in internet resources. I put all my experience. I'm a substitute teacher in Pasco County, and I'm currently a head coach at Bishop McLaughlin for cheerleading. I opened my own company back when COVID was a thing, and it was a nannying business. So I definitely added that. Then I have my education from PHST when I started school, all the way to USF now, and then I offer references as needed. My sample lesson plan, it was for a 9th grade religion class since I did my student teaching at Bishop McLaughlin. So this is the lesson plan that I did. I did the lesson plan for 1 month. So this is a 1-month lesson plan. And it gives everything that is needed through, each standard was listed through the Diocese of St. Pete's standards. So these are what the standards are and how I will give each lesson throughout the semester. I also have a quote on here that says, "When you have a dream, you gotta grab it and never let it go." It's by Carol Burnett. I love that because when I started school, I had a lot of trouble in beginning of college, and out of high school, I didn't really want to attend. But now here I am, end of high school, and here I am, end of college. So I thought that was really cool to add. I added a Let's Connect button. This basically is just so they can connect with me, type in what they need, and then I also have my email here if they just want to immediately email me. And then I have my blog through senior year, which is what our blog is that we've done in this class. You can actually click this link and it takes you to my blog directly. And then at the top, all of my links work. So this is my home screen right here. Then if you go to About, it takes you to the About Me. Resume, it takes you straight down to the resume. My sample lesson plan, it'll take you straight down to that sample lesson plan. My quote, my blog, everything, it just takes you immediately to that. So if you don't want to do the whole scrolling thing, you can actually just press the button itself. Thanks, guys.